Alright guys, so we fixed the water pump. This is our first time taking it for a spin. Carb's acting real good, fuel, everything. And it's not fully together right now, but here you go so you can see it in action. It's actually warm. Stalled it out a little bit, but there you have it. This is the final, or not. We still have to do some finishing touches on the bike, but we're almost at the final stage of the 2001 WR250F build project. And thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate all the support. Make sure to like, comment, share with your friends. You know, keep it coming.